She sees them walking in a straight line. That's not really her style. And they all got the same heartbeat, but theirs is falling behind. Nothing in this world could ever bring them down. They're invincible, and she just in the background. She says, I wish that I could be like the cool kids, 'cause all the cool kids, they seem to get it. I wish that I could be like the cool kids, like the cool kids. He sees them talking with a big smile, but they haven't got a clue. Living the good life, can see what he's going through. They're driving fast cars